The left side is initially positioning the tabstock. When release your finger, this one will be returned back automatically. Okay, initially positioning. This is 什么模式下的称重 ？This is inch mode pressing. 这是手动在送料是吧？ Right now we are using the inch mode, manually feeding the tabstock, one step by one step. 这第二步了。Now is the third step of the tabstock. As you can see, the third step has been finished. Now is the fourth step. Fourth step finished. Fifth step finished.
因为我这个没有出去了，我这里要掏一支飞料。
Because we don't have the particular tooling for cutting the tabstock, so our technician is going to remove the waste of the tabstock from the toolings. Right now he's doing removing the waste right now. Get rid of this waste. Okay, we're going to the next, which is the sixth step of the tabstock fitting. Yeah, as you can see, finished. Now 7 steps. 7 steps finished. That means 8 steps. 8 steps finished. Right now, this particular tool is for pilot holder positioning, especially for manually feeding the tabstock. Okay, let me demonstrate. Okay, when you manually feeding the tabstock. Okay, inserting the tabstock. There will be one specially device. You can push it. You can see there is like a spring effect. Pushing this. When you're pushing here, one finger pushing here, and the tabstock will not going inside any further. So the tabstock we are stopping at here positioning. Okay. Now we are release this special button, and then we are using the inch mode or single stroke mode to press once. Okay, after finish press once using these tools, because after finish once, here 帮我定一下 because here will be a pilot holder. This pilot holder is for positioning. Okay, for positioning. When you have this pilot holder at the tabstock, you can manually feeding the second step inside of the tooling, and you will find this pilot holder. You will find the pilot holder. The second step, the pilot holder will be here. Something like here will be using this tool, inserting. Yes, you can see, inserting inside of the holder. Okay, you see, inserting. Okay, this means the second step is position is correct, and we using the single stroke or inch mode to press once, and we doing this procedure for manually feeding the tabstock, one step by one step, until entire tabstock go from one step to the entire tab line here staking. After finish here, going there. This is mean the tabstock positioning is okay now. After here, we using this is because this haven't finished yet, so there will be a tabstock feeding device using the pressing roller to pressing the tabstock. Then will be finished and then after finish the pressing the tabstock, we can using the continuously mode to pressing the products. See, the pilot hole. The pilot hole. Okay. After the right positioning of this pilot hole, using this tool, using this position, okay, one step by one step, so you can easily find here, especially here, okay, there will be a especially shape for correctly, you see, okay, move out, inserting on, moving out. This is we positioning the tabstock.